Hello, hi. Yes. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yes, I know that all my little ones got ready for the learning session. And children, let me start my session with a sweet song. Shall I tell you what the song is all about? Let me sing first and later you will know it on your own. Yes, come little children, come to me. Let me teach you all English. Yes, come to me children. Get ready children. Let me teach you English. English is my favorite subject. English is your favorite subject too. Come children, let me teach you. Speaking like a parrot in English. Do you want to speak like a parrot? Do you love parrots? Why do we love parrots? We love parrots because they are very colorful and they talk so sweet. They repeat whatever we say. They learn everything easily just like you. Yes, come children, come. Get ready children, get ready. I will teach you English. Speaking in English, talking in English is so sweet as a parrot talk. Let's become parrots. Let's fly into the English world. Here it is. Welcome. Welcome to the English learning zone. Welcome everybody. Here the stuff is ready on the screen and today you are going to learn English. You are going to learn so many simple words in English. That is from Q. Q to T. Q to T. Yes children, then why late? Then why delay? Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's enter into the fabulous, dreamy world of English. Yes. English class is ready. Let us start. Q. Q. Capital Q. Small letter Q. Q. Yes. Quarter. Quarter. It's not quarter. Don't press R. Don't press the letters R. Quarter. Q-U-A-R-T-E-R. Q-U-A-R-T-E-R. Quarter. That is 1/4 part of a whole. Yes. Yesterday my papa bought watermelon. Watermelon. I love watermelon because its tummy is full of water and I ate 1/4. 1/4 of watermelon. Quilt. Quilt. Q-U-I-L-T. Q-U-I-L-T. Quilt. See, there is a soft quilt in my bedroom and I lie down relaxed on it. Very relaxed. It's a very soft bed. Quilt. Queen. Queen is so beautiful. I love the golden crown of the queen. I love to wear crown. Yes children, I really love to get ready like a queen with a beautiful crown on the head. Queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Q-U-E-E-N. Quail. Quail. Quail is a bird. Q-U-A-I-L. Quail. 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 Q-U-A-I-L. Quiet. Silence please. Quiet. Q-U-I-E-T. Q-U-I-E-T. question. It's not question, it's question. 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 Yes, children, lovely. Let's step into the next. Let's move ahead in the learning zone. Yes. Now it's time for us to learn the words that start with R. R is my favorite letter because my name starts with R. How many of your name starts with R? Yes. Rabbit. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. I love rabbits because they are so beautiful creatures and they love eating carrots. Yes. Race. R-A-C-E. R-A-C-E. Race. Cycle race. Car race. Yes. Long jump race. Yes. I participate in running race at my school and I always win first place. Yahoo! Raft. Raft. R-A-F-T. R-A-F-T. Yes, raft. This is raft. Sailing in the sea, sailing in the river, sailing on the water. Rack. Rack. R-A-C-K. R-A-C-K. Rack. You find this rack in the kitchen of your house. Your mama keeps all the vessels in the rack after cleaning them. Rain. Yes, I love the showers of rain. I love to become wet in the rain. I want to dance in the rain. Yes, but do remember, children, so if you become wet in the rain, you may catch cold, you may suffer from cough. So don't do so. If you want to go in the rain, compulsorily use umbrella. Without umbrella, don't go outside in the rain. R-A-I-N. R-A-I-N. Rain. Wow. Here is my favorite. My favorite is rainbow. I love rainbow because it has so many lovely colors. And we see rainbow in the sky during rainy season. Even yesterday, I have seen the rainbow. I enjoyed the view of rainbow. Have you all seen the rainbow? What you have to do? You have to draw. Draw the rainbow. Draw the half circles like this. Draw 7 half circles like this. Color them and paste it on the wall and enjoy the view of rainbow. If at all if you see rainbow in the sky, immediately take a snap and show to your parents, show to the teachers. They will feel so happy. Rainbow. Rainbow. Bow. R-A-I-N. Rain. B-O-W. Rainbow. Yes, children. The learning session is very beautiful like rainbow. You loved this session because it is as colorful as rainbow. Yes, it's time for us to learn the letters, the letter S and the words that begin with S. Yes, I love this letter because it always says yes. Are you learning? Yes. Are you reciting? Yes. Are you playing? Yes. Are you eating? Yes. Are you drinking? Yes. So positive reply. Yes always gives positive reply and that is why I love the letter S. Snowman. See how cute this snowman is? Snowman lives on snow mountains which is very cool and chill. S-N-O-W-M-A-N. S-N-O-W-M-A-N. Snowman. C. Hearts. C. Hearts. Have you seen horses? I too like horses because they run fast. Seahorse, this seahorse is not like the one we see nearby our houses. This is different because you see them living in water, in the sea, in the ocean. Seahorse, S-E-A-H-O-R-S-E. Ship, ship, S-H-I-P. Yes, it's a fantastic ship. All the ships sail on the water. Yes, S-H-I-P. S-H-I-P. Shoes, shoes, S-H-O-E-S. S-H-O-E-S. Shoes. Yes, all my students wear shoes along with the uniform every day to the school. Shark, shark, S-H-A-R-K. Yes, children, it's a very dangerous creature. It has sharp teeth and it lives in oceans. It lives in the sea. We should never go near the sharks. You should be always far away from the shark because it has a big mouth with sharp teeth. Starfish. Yes, starfish just looking like star in the sky. You can see starfish in the water, in the oceans, in the seas. Starfish. I love stars. I love stars because they are very shiny and glossy. S-T-A-R-F-I-S-H. Starfish. Santa Claus. Santa Claus. Santa Claus. S-A-N-T-A-C-L-A-U-S. Santa Claus. Santa Claus. Yes, I love Santa Claus. Yes, Santa Claus. You can see Santa Claus during Christmas celebrations. And Santa Claus gets you a lot of sweets and gifts. I love him. I like his long white beard. I love his tummy because his tummy is very big. And he has a bag. And his bag is full of sweets, chocolates, bickies and gifts of so many kinds. Skateboard, skateboard, S-K-A-T-E-B-O-A-R-D, board. Skateboard, S-K-A-T-E-B-O-A-R-D. Yes. Scarecrow. Scare, S-C-A-R-E, scare, crow, C-R-O-W. You can see scare crow images in the fields. Farmers use them in the fields to keep the crops away from birds. Shuffle, shuffle, S-H-U-F-F-E-L. Shuffle. Yes, children, this is used in the garden. This is used in the garden. You can see this in the garden. Socks. Socks. S-O-C-K. S-O-C-K. Socks. I love to wear socks. I love to wear different kinds of socks. Yes, children. Love you all. Love you all. Yes. Yes. Here we have words that start with T. Yes. Truck. T-R-U-C-K. Truck. Turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. Turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y. Table. T-A-B-E-L. Yes, children. Love, love, love you all. Love you all. Fantastic, children. Hope loved the session. Yes, it's full of learning. Today you have put so much of efforts in learning so many words. Yes, children, that's all from the session. Catch you up soon. Keep smiling.